You've already learned about what you can do within a stack, but what about within a document? Let's find out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a document and what actions you can perform within the document viewer.
Now let's open our one remaining file in the billing stack. Double-click to open. In the bottom left corner here, we have a few options. To stack means it'll take you to the stack where this document is. Print file will print this document. Send file allows you to share this document through email. And move file is how you can correct the bots if they mess up and put this in the wrong stack. They're going to learn to do a better job next time based on your corrections. This gives you the different options of your stacks where you can move this document to. And you can also download the document. In the top right corner, you have a little bit of information on this document. We can rename the document by triple-clicking. Make sure you click the little pen icon to save. Now let's assign this document to a coworker. Click this little arrow. Let's assign it to Kelsey. Kelsey will receive a notification in her section right here showing her that she's been assigned this document. And when she goes into My Stacks, she'll have this document in her folder that says Assigned to Me. Stacks bots identify keywords such as places, phone numbers, dates, companies, and names. If you right-click on one of these tags, you can change what kind of tag it is, and you can also untag it. Let's click on the Hertz Corporation. Clicking on that will find every instance of it within the document. You can see how it found 3 instances. The purple-blue color is the one that you're currently viewing, and the orange ones are the future ones. If you click the arrow, it'll go to the next one. Let's clear this and let's search for something. We'll search for Cincinnati. Here you can see that it found 2 instances, right here. Let's see what else we can do in this document. Let's scroll up. If we right-click, we have a few options. We can create a new memo, we can mark as urgent, we can view in browser, mark as read, print, archive, delete, and rotate a few directions. Down at the bottom left, we also have a few of those options. Let's create a new memo. Memos allow you to tag your coworkers if you want to collaborate on a document. Let's see what that looks like. Let's tag the team admin account and tell them that we want them to validate this bill. Make sure to click the green check mark. Notifications will show up right down here and let someone know that they've been tagged or assigned a document. You can see here that we've been tagged in this document. Memo notes can be moved all around the page, and they can also be resized. We'll clear this. Another thing we can do, located down here at the bottom left, is send this file. You can send this document to anybody within Stacks or to any email address, even if they don't have a Stacks account. Let's send this to myself. Once you enter an email address into Stacks, it's going to save it to your address book. So in the future, it'll be one of your recommended email addresses to send to. And here you can put your message. Click send. And now it's sent. So you've seen the different things you can do within the document and how you can collaborate with your coworkers. In the next few videos, I'll be showing you how to manually scan in and upload documents, and I'll also be explaining how the archives work. Remember that you can always access our full documentation by going to docs.stax.ai.